Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you feel like you're stuck on a financial treadmill, working hard but never getting ahead? You're not alone. Millions of people are trapped in this cycle, feeling the stress and anxiety of barely making ends meet. It's a common misconception that this is just a problem for low-income earners. The truth is, people from all walks of life struggle with this. Doctors, lawyers, even celebrities can find themselves living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because it's not just about how much you earn, but how you manage your money. The good news is that breaking free from this cycle is possible. It starts with a shift in mindset and a commitment to taking control of your finances. It's about understanding that financial peace isn't a luxury, it's a necessity for a less stressful and more fulfilling life. When you're living paycheck to paycheck, unexpected expenses can throw your whole world into chaos. A car repair, a medical bill, or even a job loss can send you spiraling into debt. This cycle can feel like a heavy weight on your shoulders, preventing you from pursuing your dreams and living life on your own terms. But remember, you have the power to change your financial future. It's time to break free from the paycheck to paycheck trap and start building a life of financial security and abundance. The first and most important step to breaking free is to take full responsibility for your finances. No more blaming the economy, your job, or your upbringing. Your financial situation is your responsibility, and the sooner you accept that, the sooner you can start making positive changes. Look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am in control of my finances. This may seem like a small step, but it's a powerful one. When you take responsibility, you empower yourself to make different choices. Start by identifying your why, your reason for wanting to break free. Is it to provide a better future for your children? To finally take that dream vacation? To retire comfortably? Write down your why and keep it somewhere visible as a constant reminder of what you're working towards. This will be your driving force when things get tough. Remember, change isn't always easy, but it's always possible. You have the strength within you to break free from this cycle and create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. It's time to stop making excuses and start taking action. Your future self will thank you for it. Now that you've taken responsibility and identified your why, it's time to create a plan. This is where the rubber meets the road. Start by tracking your spending for a month. Every dollar that goes out, write it down. You can use a notebook, a spreadsheet, or a budgeting app. Whatever works best for you. The key is to be consistent and honest with yourself. At the end of the month, categorize your spending into 3 buckets: needs, debts, and wants. Needs are essentials like housing, food, utilities, and transportation. Debts include credit card payments, student loans, and personal loans. Wants are everything else: dining out, entertainment, vacations, and so on. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Most people are surprised to find out how much they spend on wants. This is where you can make the biggest impact on your finances. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional with your money. Involve your whole household in this process. Have an open and honest conversation with your family about your financial goals and how everyone can contribute. Explain that this isn't about punishment, it's about working together to achieve a common goal. When everyone is on board, it becomes a team effort, and you'll be amazed at the progress you can make. As you start to pay down your debt and see your savings grow, you might be tempted to reward yourself with a few upgrades, like a nicer car, fancier clothes, or maybe more extravagant vacations. This is called lifestyle inflation, and honestly, it's the quickest way to sabotage your financial progress. Remember, the goal isn't to just have more money, it's to actually achieve financial freedom. And that means, living below your means, even as your income grows. Instead of upgrading your lifestyle, focus on building wealth, increase your savings rate, invest in your future, and build a financial cushion that will protect you from life's unexpected events. Don't be afraid to be different from your peers. While they're busy upgrading their cars and taking expensive vacations, you'll be quietly building a solid financial foundation that will serve you for years to come. Now, let's talk about increasing your income. This could mean asking for a raise at work, taking on a side hustle, or starting a small business. Explore different options and find what works best for you. The key is to be proactive and constantly look for ways to improve your financial situation. Remember, your income is your greatest wealth-building tool. The more you earn, the faster you can achieve your financial goals. Imagine a life where you wake up without the dread of checking your bank balance. A life where you can handle unexpected expenses without panicking. A life where you can pursue your passions without being held back by financial constraints. This is the power of breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It's about achieving lasting financial peace and security. It's about taking control of your money, instead of letting it control you. Remember, this journey is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be setbacks and challenges along the way. But don't get discouraged. Keep your why in mind, stay focused on your goals, and celebrate your progress along the way. Every step you take towards financial freedom is a victory worth celebrating. As you continue on this path, you'll discover a newfound sense of confidence and empowerment. You'll realize that you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. And most importantly, you'll experience the true meaning of financial peace, not just the absence of worry, but the presence of freedom, opportunity, and joy. As you break free from the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and experience the transformative power of financial freedom, you'll naturally want to share this knowledge with others. You'll become a beacon of hope for those who are still trapped in the cycle, showing them that a different path is possible. Share your story, offer encouragement, and be a source of support for those who are just starting their journey. Remember, financial literacy is a gift that keeps on giving. By sharing what you've learned, you can help others break free from the cycle of debt and achieve lasting financial well-being. Imagine the ripple effect you can create by empowering just one person to take control of their finances. They, in turn, can inspire others and so on. Together, we can create a world where financial freedom is the norm, not the exception. Let's work together to break the chains of the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle and build a brighter financial future for ourselves, our loved ones, and generations to come. The journey starts with you.